Hi everyone, friends, subscribers, viewers, and everyone. You are highly welcome. This is your boy Bope Tech. Today, I'm here to inform you that you are highly welcome to this channel. This channel here is out to offer you whatever you want of your online, making of money online teachings, anything about your cryptocurrency, articles writing, and anything concerning you about the internet that you want to learn. Just visit YouTube and search for Bope Tech TV. And anything there, you are good to go. Thank you, and you are highly welcome. We are here to help you, and you are once welcome again.
My sisters, my viewers, subscribers, and everyone who is watching this video. Today I have this good news for everyone. I'm here telling everyone that creating a PayPal account with a fake abilities can lead you into losing of your money. Yes, because PayPal is not verifying PayPal's account every day in and out, and in any time you receive money, they ask you to verify your account with your email and your number. Sometimes the number verification Ghana number is locked, especially those who are using iPhone. The engine of iPhone directly is not meant for Africa, so whenever you are using it, they demand out from where the phone is particularly based for. So for you to prevent this and out from this, I have this good news for you. We have this app called SMS Visuals. If you are using Apple phone, please just go to your app store and send and search for SMS Visuals. And if you are using Android phone, go to the Play Store and also send the same. There's first one on top. You see, I have registered it. This is going to give you a number from anywhere in the country. I'm only having some challenges just because UK number is not there. I'm sorry, you can't get UK number. But US, apart from UK, US, Australia, Italy, Spain, any number. And this is good for my Yahoo brothers. If you know you are Yahoo boy, those who knows, they knows. And I'm doing this for educational purpose. I'm not doing it for you to use and scam anyone. And you should be very careful. This number can use to call, it can use to text, you use to verify anything. You use it to make normal calls. When they call you, it will come directly to your phone like you are using it as your SIM. You can even off your SIM, your main SIM card, and use that particular visual SIM for your SIM. Even Ghana number is there. So let me just walk into this and show you why I said it's good. If you are looking for Ghana number for your registration and something, this is how it look like. After you finish downloading, this is how the website look like. So when you open it, this is how it will look like. Anything you want to use this to register is there. Your balance, you have to deposit money there. Money, madam, to purchase this number. All you have to do is type on balance to purchase for this, and you purchase with your Visa card. Your transaction card that you use will have the Visa card or debit card. So I prefer you using the Visa card. Those who are using Ghana Commercial Bank, you have Visa card. And if you know you don't have a Visa card to any bank, please just hit me up at the comment section. I'll give you, I'll bring a video out how you can get a visual Visa card online with EcoBank. So these are what you are going to use this number for. We have Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Google, YouTube, Gmail, whatever you want to use it for. Twitter, Microsoft, mail, this TikTok, and whatever. We see all this, everything in phone you can use. Even betting, you can use this number for your betting. And the good thing is, when you use this number and you get VPN and you are betting in 1xBet, your higher winning are always great. To my dear brothers, those who are betting, you see it. Those who are finding it difficult to create Amazon this, you want to be shipping online from your Apple store, and everything you want to use, you can use this number. You see it's very good. So if anything you want to use, you just go and type on it. For example, I want to create a fake WhatsApp account to be using it to test my wife, and I want a US number or Ghana number. Let me just type on this WhatsApp. So it will open like this. These are the countries. If any country you want, just search. Unfortunately, we don't have UK, because when you search for UK, you can't find it. Country cost, so you can't get it. We have Ghana here. Is it Ghana? Like this make me very nice. Ghana. This is Ghana. 4 people has already have this number. Today they purchase for this number. You see it. When you type on it, they'll ask you to order your number. If only you have four, like some us in your account, like money. So just type on order phone number, it will tell you error. And what you are going to do is purchase activation. So you have to activate for this number. And what is even good is you can buy this number with 15 CDs, and the first one is not even up to 10 CD, which is one activation. They activate it for once, and when the activation expires, you have to activate again, which is 0.29 US dollars. 0.29 US dollars. This 0.29 US dollars is something. Let's just say dollar is now 12 cedis. 12 times this 29. Let me just make it 30 cross example. So let's go back to my calculator. Let me use the 29 as this, and I'm just using 12 cedis as example times 0.29. So you are going to pay 3 cedis 48 pesos for this number. You see it, 3 cedi 48 pesos. 3 cedi can't make you anything. Just use it to purchase your number, and I'll be sincere to my brothers and sisters who are using PayPal. Use the 10 activation, which is the $1.29. So let's say this $1.29 to get the US number. Let me give you the amount you are going, which is 12. I'm only negotiating this 12 because dollars now 111.40 something or 50. So 12 times 1.99, which is 23 cedis, 88 pesos. Let's just make it 24 cedis. So we get this number. It will be activated in any time for 10 times of it, and the activation doesn't mean it's going to expire or something like that. In case something happens, you can still get that same number. You see it in your this, and when you finish patching and you patch your number will be here. You can use it to make call, text, in anything you want to do. You see there here. You see this is now the phrase of that your number, your dialing service, or whatever it is. This is how it look like. And please, if those to my brothers who want to get foreign bank accounts, I'm going to teach you. Please, this is for educational purpose. Please just hit me at the comment section and I'll teach you. Thank you for watching.